Hello, I'm your instructor Leslie. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Now this video I want us to look at the K53 test paper 4. Now if you've been enjoying this content, please do make sure that you subscribe to this channel and also give this video a like so that more people will be able to see it. Now without wasting much time, let's begin. Now what does this sign mean? Now look at this sign, right? Does it mean that drive the vehicle not exceeding 80 kilometers per hour, or drive the vehicle at 80 kilometers per hour, or drive the vehicle exceeding 80 kilometers per hour? Or this one means drive the vehicle not exceeding 80 kilometers per hour, because remember this one is a speed restriction sign. Now let's move on to number 2. This sign represents, is it a give way to oncoming traffic or crossroads ahead or two-way road? Well, this one is a give way to oncoming traffic. As you can see here, right, we have this big sign, this big arrow and a small arrow. It means that the traffic that is going in this direction should have the right of way. So give way to oncoming traffic. Let's move on to number 3. The maximum speed permitted for motorcycles in cycles during night time, is it 25 kilometers per hour or 30 kilometers per hour or 50 kilometers per hour? But the maximum speed for motorcycles permitted during night time is 30 kilometers per hour. Number 4. Circumstances in which a motorcycle can be driven at the speed of 60 kilometers per hour. Option A, is it during night or during daytime or under no circumstance? Here we are looking at a motorcycle, right? So in a motorcycle be driven at 60 kilometers per hour, well, is during no circumstance, right? So this one is the correct answer, because remember 60 kilometers per hour is far beyond its speed limit. Now let's move on to number 5. A place where parking is prohibited. Is it in front of a parked vehicle? B, on a footway road? C, on footpath? Well, parking is definitely prohibited on a footpath because that's for pedestrians, right? And a motor vehicle should not be found there. Now let's move on to number 6. This sign represents, is it a give way or one-way roadway or right turn prohibited? Well, this one is definitely a one-way Broadway right. Moving on to number 7, the following sign represents, is it vehicle exceeding 12 tons GVM prohibited? Now when we say GVM, we are talking about gross vehicle mass, right? Is it only vehicle exceeding 12 tons GVM allowed, or vehicle exceeding 10 tons GVM prohibited? Now when talking about this 12T, it's talking about 12 tons, right? So which means that this one is the incorrect one, right? So let me just strike this one through. So vehicle exceeding 12 tons GVM prohibited. So if any vehicle has a mass of 12 tons, is definitely prohibited. So this one is the correct answer here. The handbrake is to be used, option A, to reduce speed, to apply sudden brakes, or to park a vehicle. Now the handbrake is to be used to park a vehicle. Now it's not used to reduce speed, because what is used to reduce speed is the brakes. Number 9. The following sign represents, is it a give way at roundabout, or is it a roundabout sign, or a 3-point turn? Now this one sign, it represents a roundabout sign. Now let's move on to number 10. Before overtaking a vehicle, it should be ensured that no vehicle is approaching from behind. B, the road ahead is clearly visible and it is safe to overtake. The vehicle in front is turning left. Well, before you overtake, you should ensure that the road ahead is clear and it is safe to overtake. So guys, that's it. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section. So this is what we are talking about, guys, learning these things at the comfort of your own home. Now if you are interested in this paper, there is a link in the description below. You can just go right ahead and download it for yourself. So thank you so much, guys. Now any comments, remember to write them in the comment section. I'll see you later in the next video. Goodbye.